Hey everyone, really important video here. The radiator will fail if we don't attend to this quickly, so it's something to keep an eye on. Note, this vehicle did have a sovereign bull bar at some point in time, hit a kangaroo, got bent up, so they took it off and put a plastic bar on, and that's what's on there now. I want to point out, to do with the bull bar fitting, there's these, can you see, right in the middle of the picture, that rectangular shaped block? And if you have a look around this side, see, hang on, get the light. Always works better with the light on. I've got this light, but when I take that light away, we want to see what's going on as well. See this block here? Look at there. Right, and that hits on the radiator there. That's not going to be good, particularly if it's like this one and it's jammed in there, right? So this one's fallen out of the hole at that side, right? So we need to get in there, push that up, pop that out, and get that out. They need to come out. So to fix this problem, the radiator is going to need to come out because it needs to come out. These blocks need to come out from this side. So it'll get a radiator sooner or later. Just done the coolant, so it would have been good to notice that before, but I thought while the transmission's draining, I'll have a quick look around and check a few things, and bada bing, bada boom, look at that. So let me sort that one out. I don't know how it ends up jammed like that, to be honest, but for now I'll get it back out and I'll put something in, some rubber, and just space it out so that it can't come in and hit the radiator until next time we do a coolant flush, or replace the radiator. It is 16 years old. I might just throw a new one at it. That's how I roll. Just slowly work through the maintenance on this vehicle. But I thought I'd better show you that one because, yeah, not good. What's going on here? Some aftermarket dodgy bolts. All right, I think that bracket's actually part of the bull bar setup and it's not normally there, and they've just left it there. So that's fine because that adds strength to this recovery point area anyway. Yeah, but normally you'd probably just get rid of that when you refitted the bar because it's not actually doing anything now. But that's all right, that can stay there. That's not an issue. I'm just looking around here. So watch out for those blocks. It'll cost your radiator and unreliability on your 120 or possibly other vehicles. So subscribe to the bell if you don't want to miss these warnings. Catch you in the next video. See ya. I thought I'd better just show you. I've got that block out of the way and it has put a mark on the side of the radiator, but it's not too bad. And it's not broken yet, so it'll be all good. Just got to secure those away for now. Ideally, if they had the clip, there's a clip that can go right on the end of that block there. That's how it should have been installed in the first place.